Hi, I'm Ernie, Timberman00 on eBay, and today I'd like to talk about replacing your brass 830, 839, and 850 hinges that have been discontinued a number of years, and they're very difficult to find. Tools you're going to need are a screwdriver, Phillips, a self-centering bit. This is also available on my website. Straight edge could be a ruler or a piece of wood. And first thing you want to do is take off the bottom screw, and then we'll remove the top screw. Next, the screws are removed on the old hinges. And the new hinge is dropped in place. You'll notice the screw holes don't line up. The drilling pattern is totally different, and I'll show you how to overcome that. Remove the other hinge. Might have to wiggle it to get it out, and put the new hinge in place. This is where your straight edge comes in. You'd run your straight edge across both the hinges. Make sure everything lines up. See how that lines up real nice? Now, the self-centering bit. And finally, new screws. These are provided in the kit with the new hinges. Here you go. And now the door can go back on. I usually like putting the top screw in first. Then the bottom. Make sure everything's tight. Okay, and there you have it. Now this is where the soft close comes in. This door won't slam. Nice and quiet. Now if the door's a little crooked, you can adjust it left and right just by turning that screw. It goes left and right. You see that? And they even have an in and out adjustment. The screw in the back will bring the door in and out in case it's not lining up properly. See how that works right here? In and out. And then the main screws here that hold the hinge on are on a slot. There's some up and down adjustment on the main screw that holds the door on the cabinet. You can move it to where you need it. Tighten it back up. Need to loosen both of them to raise and lower the door. I know what some of you are thinking. That's cool, but what about us with the 83009 face mount plate? Do you have a solution for that? And the answer is yes, we do. There's some more steps involved. First, take one hinge out. One screw out of the top, and then take both the screws out of the bottom hinge. Then finally, remove the top hinge. Okay, first we're going to remove the old hinge, just like before. This is the face mount hinge. Same thing as before. Put your straight edge here. Make sure everything's straight. Now this gets a little tricky. These mounting holes don't always line up perfectly. So what I usually do is put one in, raise the door all the way up, and drive that home. Then put another screw in at the bottom. Same thing. Drive that home. Next we check for alignment. If the door aligns with the door next to it, then we're good to go. This door, let's say, does not. So I want to raise this door up. So what we're going to do is drill a new hole near the top of the slot there and on the bottom. Now we're going to put screws in there, but leave them a little loose, both top and bottom. Remove the top screw, like so. Now, next step is to raise the door. So we're going to raise it up, drill another hole. This helps keep it in line. By doing it this way, this helps keep it in line with where it's supposed to be on the cabinet, left and right. Do the same thing on the bottom. And then tighten all the screws. Now that raised the door up, and it's in line with the other door. This hinge has a left-right adjustment, just like the others, left and right. However, it does not have the in and out adjustment. And it's also soft close. And there you have it. Enjoy your new hinge.